Well, good morning from St. Helena, and what a beautiful anchorage we are in. Couldn't see it last night because we arrived when it got dark and dropped the hook, but this morning we've woken up to the most beautiful morning, and we're off to customs and immigration, and then the supermarket, bit of laundry to do, and then some fuel to organise. So busy day ahead, but very excited to be here. And just heading down here and around to customs and immigration.